No.
No.
Challenge. All right. Onwe lotu mbosi kamiri nezo wene panya nozo mwefu nem kona nata mba ba 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 mba ba 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 so we bafuru nemo mwesi nem no wenaria ihoji mwesi o wesim nwa modalo Daalu chum chum chum. Daalu chum chum chum. Daalu chum chum chum. So my nephews know this song. That means you guys can learn it too. And they're 6. So let me tell you exactly what they're saying. Give me 1 minute. I want to fit everything on one. Let me just do it this way. All right. So it's basically a kid telling a story. That there was one day, it was raining outside. And I looked outside the door, and I saw that my mother was coming home. So I ran. I ran to her. Then I told her, nem no. You guys remember no, right?
Mm-hmm.
Welcome. And then naria ihoji. I took what she had from her. Owesinwa modalo. She said, my child, thank you. Okay, Daalu chum chum chum. So Onyemi Hoji, Daalu chum chum chum. So she had like a snack. What did you say?
No, I got something mixed up.
Okay.
I saw Oji, I was thinking Cardinals, but that's Oji.
Okay, yeah. That's Oji.
That's all like.
When Naria Ihoji, Daalu chum chum chum. So she had like something that he could eat. So Owesinwa modalo, which obviously meant that she said thank you and she gave it to him and then he ate it. He or she ate it. Chum chum chum. Chum chum chum. That's their favorite part. It was like tickle each other like chum chum chum. But you don't have to do that.